Well, today is a great day. Something we've been waiting for quite a while. As you can see, we are going to unveil our new logo, and hopefully we're going to put this up in a way that doesn't screw up the logo. We've waited.
Can you hear things that you shouldn't?
Yeah, and you hear definitely things that you should not. We're not professionals at doing this, but we are excited to get our logo on the back of the RV. So we can hit the road in about just a little over 30 days, or under 30 days.
29.
29 days to go, folks. And this is one of the finishing touches that we're doing just to get ourselves rolling. So most of this I'm probably going to speed up because I'm not going to try to do this as a decal tutorial because I am not a professional with this. But we just wanted to share this out. So
Stay tuned. Wish us luck.
stay tuned. Fingers crossed this goes without a hitch. High five. We got this. All right. I'm gonna play fancy music, so nobody's gonna hear me. All right. So you got scissors?
I have scissors.
Okay. So what we're gonna do?
Be nice to me.
I'm gonna need you to hold this up there for right now. Yeah.
Oh, it's white?
The back of it.
The letter's coming off on it.
So there.
Excuse me, stop. Nope.
This is gonna be a problem.
Where am I cutting?
Okay, you're gonna cut as close to the clear as you can without hitting the clear. Just make sure you don't hit the clear.
I know.
All right, yeah, okay.
I know.
Now we're gonna pull this. All right, so now we'll take the squeegee. Just center.
Really?
Still a little nervous that this is going to work, folks, but let's see how it goes. The squeegee that I had was for window tint. I'm
is all
obviously,
that?
that's the part of the squeegee that we don't want to talk about. So since I can't go to work at the moment because I am working from home, I'm going to use my employee badge.
Oh, crap.
And
I'm gonna
we're just going to hit this.
swirl.
Lost Carrie again, something shiny or something floating by.
I heard you.
Oh, shotgun. So these little bubbles.
But what about like on the black and stuff?
This shouldn't be a problem. Well,
Like right on the corner here.
that I'm not worried about. I'm worried about the bubbles in here.
I thought they said not to worry about those ones.
Well, I worry about some of them. Like little tiny ones you don't want to do. What you're doing here, you're just making sure no sticks. So like that one might be bad.
Oy vey.
But overall, not bad. A lot of it was mess from that. Okay, so half the side is down. It probably looks like hell at the moment, but we're going to see if we can get this going right. So far, it doesn't look too horrible. So now we're going to just peel this back and apply the other side. Okay. We're going to need to get that, I think. So her expression, I don't know if you can see this on camera, is actually priceless.
I feel nauseous.
Okay, let's take that. I'll probably need you on this side.
Huh?
I need you on this side. Because this side you shouldn't have to cut anything, you should just have to.
Oh, thank goodness. Sorry for the angle here. Whoa, whoa, slow down. No. No.
Got it. Is it? You pull that all out.
Can you bring
Just
it
go ahead,
back?
pull that white paper out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pull the white paper out completely. Okay, when I come back with this, as taut as I
Oh
can.
no.
No,
Can
don't
you
worry.
come back?
It's not- That I think we can get out when we pull the white transfer paper off.
Okay.
I mean, you can try pulling it, but it's stuck under there. All right, excellent.
Oy.
So see that white paper?
Yeah.
That's not any part of the sticker.
It's
So-
not?
No, so
Oh, okay. Again? Oh, how pretty. I love it.
where are you going?
She's going to do her check. I know that she could. And
All
get
right, so I
gas.
got one. I got a pump.
Right, so be careful, please.
Going to get your check. You just left it.
Let me know when Bob, she has her check. She's going to the bank with it.
Millie, why'd you take that from me? Why don't you just fight for yourself?
I know.
Well, sometimes I want to, but then you have an attitude that
Hey,
Be careful.
please be safe.
I need my keys.
Yeah. I love you.
Amelia, come here a minute. Here, come back here.
Over here.
Say hi. Yeah.
No.
This is our logo on the back.
Nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
And a special hello to
Okay.
Amelia. So these small ones, in other words, that one we're going to pop.
Like before it comes off.
No, after we pull on the back.
So none of this stuff should be seen. It should be just the picture itself.
Just a picture of the white's going to be here. You'll be seeing
Yeah.
as I see it. But most of these little ones, I'm not going to pop. They should go away on their own. This gigantic one, of course, I have to pop.
Is it on?
You broke a badge.
Oh no.
Okay. So we're on. We got about one big bubble, which we kind of anticipated was going to happen anyway. so I'm not going to sweat the small stuff on that one. The big thing at this point now is going to be peeling back the vinyl covering to reveal just the decal. So again, fingers crossed, we got this. So instead of pulling down, right?
Pull down and diagonally, don't pull away. Not like Nemo. Swim away, don't.
So there you have it, folks. Got a couple of little bubbles I'm going to straighten out. Anything, I have one major one that I need to work out. The rest of these smaller ones, in my experience, will there'll be the small little micro air pockets in them. Those will come out over the next month or so. So that's it. I got one little wrinkle right there. All in all, I'm just going to peel this back a little bit. And I just got one little bubble right here that I'm going to pop, and we're going to work that out. I'm going to grab a pin. There's something I can pop in with. I could use I have a razor or that exact one. Okay, I know you missed me. Hold on. And as promised, Carrie's here with. So we're just going to pop this little bubble. Let the air out. And we're gonna I don't think I'm gonna pop it in there. I think I'm just gonna leave it. And that's pretty much all she wrote. So, like I said, nothing exciting for you guys probably, but for us it's a beginning of where we're going. And again, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
See you later.
Ciao. Hey friends, Bob from 25 Plus Life here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This way here we know you care. Thank you.